One KZ, Toyota Hiace. This vehicle was hard starting. For the owner, take it to others, and you can get anything done with it. If you pass, and give me a look at. So, after checking some wires and see some wire was broken, and checking the crank sensor, it was hard starting, something like that. What he did, then he checked for code and pin out the DTC box and get code 13 and 14. That is the timing and the SPV valve. So I decided to bring out the scopes and check to see if the timing and SP valve is alright. And this is what I see on the party. Also on the before. Advantage. This has up to the NE. Plus signal wire on the pump and on the S. On the PCV valve, timing control valve, I have come green wire to the signal wire. Now I have got the on the particular scope to see the same wave form. Let's see what is going on with the particular scope. So far this is a known red signal coming from the NE plus signal red and Toyota. And here, one here there. Yes, this Hiace with a kit, about 15 cranks before or turns before it starts, but it's starting in a shorter period of time. So I will turn off and we all see how it's cranking out. I turn off right now and see how it crank. Oh, battery. Here working in the night, trying to get this in. shorter period of time. Start. I feel they're comfortable with this. Not working on diesel so much, but let's see. This is any signal on the scope. Yes, I can put I got better in here that I can put in this video. I can put on YouTube. You're running. Open up, yeah. So, yeah.